Hey, we're Mike and Lucy, and we would love to bring you along on our recent trip to Cornwall. So watch this video if you'd like to see some of the amazing places and cool discoveries that we made. So we're finally in East Portholland, and sorry, I forgot the name temporarily. But yeah, we're finally in East Portholland. It's really cute. I think there's about 5 people that live in the entire town, but we have our own little Horsebox Airbnb thing, and it's really cute. So we'll do a little tour of it.
Right by a little pond. It's quite cute.
So that's where we're sleeping for the next 3 days. We've got a fire pit area, which is really cool, and like a picnic bench. That's a loo and a shower. That's our little kitchenette slash braai area. For those of you who don't know what a braai is, it's a barbecue in South African language, in Afrikaans. And then this is our Horsebox, which we're staying in for the night. I just need to open it. Lovely weather we're having this morning.
At least we've got a beach back. This absolutely stunning. We also happen to have a little bit of a change of outfit.
Yeah. Popped into a shop. Weird fish. Literally, into the pool.
Weird place. Got some new clothes just because it was hot, and it's not hot now, and I'm half regretting it. It's also not.
Only sweet.
welcome to Land's End. Pretty cool, yeah. You gonna drive up to John O'Groats?
Not today. Are you good at making fires, love?
I'm good at making bombs.
The best. Hello. Where'd you come from? You're so beautiful. No, he likes you. Or she. I don't know. Behind you. It's a different kitty than I saw earlier. The one I saw earlier was grey. Hello. Hello, Bubby. Have you come to see our fire? Hey, baby.
Over. That looks the driest. Different methods to get to the beach first. found a ram to take a video of. Jumps out the car, leaves the door open in the middle of a tiny single lane road. But yeah, photos of the ram is more important. So yeah, here she comes.
That's amazing, they're standing still. Give me your phone. Oh, there we go. On the way home.